Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an asset in Jasper AI. Let's go into the Projects tab here at the left and choose any project that you want, or even create a new one just for it. Now if you navigate around in the canvas, after picking a project or making a new one, it is not really a button around that says anything about an asset. That's where the chat system here at the left comes in handy. Let's ask how it can create an asset. Once it gives its answer, we then know that it's basically just about the results of the prompts that you ask it for. Let's choose one of the examples that Jasper gave us, either by clicking in the pre-made one here or typing down one of our own. And then let Jasper do the work. Once they're done, you have now created an asset in your Jasper project. And that's how to create an asset in Jasper AI.